So we're going to be talking about exfoliants today, as this is a very important product to have in your routine, whether it's something that you want to do on an everyday basis or a few times per week. And so if you have texture, flakiness, dry skin, discoloration, post-acne marks, and you're lacking that brightness with your skin, then you may want to look into one of these. So of course, these products will be linked below for you for your reference, but if you haven't seen my other videos where I'm sharing the best of, like the best eye serums, eye creams, cleansers, and so on, then those videos will be linked below for you as well. So let's get right into that first exfoliant. All right, so the first product is by Maelove. This is the Super Smooth Resurfacing Serum. Now, let me tell you something. I am very picky when it comes to exfoliants because my combination skin can be quite sensitive to alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acid, maybe sometimes lactic acid. It just depends on the formulation. So I am very picky on what I use on my skin. And if there is something that irritates my skin, obviously I stop using it because I can't be consistent with it to see results. So I'm always looking for something that I can be consistent with, because remember, consistency is key with skincare. The more often you use something, the better off you will see results. So this one, in my opinion, is quite gentle because of the added ingredients. So we will get there in just a minute. But this is also a serum that contains a blend of AHAs. So alpha hydroxy acids. So there is lactic, glycolic, and tartaric acid in here. And these three ingredients really help with that surface exfoliation. It really helps to give that brighter complexion, especially if you have dullness. But if you have post-acne marks, dark spots, then of course, with consistency, these three AHAs can do a really good job to brighten up that skin, to give that even skin tone in time. There is also salicylic acid in here as well, which is your BHA, beta hydroxy acid. And this ingredient does a really good job to clean out your pores. So if you're someone with enlarged pores, you have blackheads, you have some texture to your skin, salicylic acid does a good job to go deep into that pore, clean out all of that dirt and oil and debris, and it unclogs your pores in time as well. So you may see some skin purging when you start using this or any of the others I'm about to share, because it's creating cell turnover and it's cleaning out your pores. So you could experience skin purging for, maybe a week or a couple of weeks, but then the more consistent you are with it, then in time this will stop and you will have that clear skin. So I love that because this does a really good job with that texture and that brighter complexion. But the added ingredients in here, like the resveratrol, hyaluronic acid, argan oil, white tea, and there is also grapeseed. These added ingredients really help to keep that skin barrier nice and comfortable, nice and moisturized, but also it helps to eliminate irritation that can happen with direct acids. So I do feel like this would be great for all skin types, but if you do have that sensitive skin type, you should always be careful on products like this because we're all different. We all react differently. So doing a patch test on your inner wrist with any one of these products that I'm sharing today is always a good idea, that 24-hour patch test. And just start slow and work your way up if you want to use this more often. So start with 1 day a week at nighttime. If you use this in the morning, just make sure you wear sunscreen. And then if your skin does well with that, then just add that extra day a week, leaving days in between, and so on. That is a good way to start incorporating a product like this. So when I use this after my cleanser and my facial mist. I put this on after, and then I might go in with a hydrating serum afterwards, something that is repairing, and then I would go in with my moisturizer on top of that. So I don't use retinols with this or vitamin C. This is basically the star of the show in that routine, whether it's in the morning or at nighttime. Next up is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peels. I really like the universal one because this one really is great for those that have normal to combination skin. And it's also in between gentle and that extra strength. Now I do have the extra strength here, which I will use once in a while. It just depends on the state of my skin. If I'm having a really good skin day and my skin barrier is in check, then possibly I might use this once in a while just for that added boost, but I typically don't reach for those as much. And I also really like the ultra gentle ones as well. So if you have dry, sensitive skin, then you will want these. And I will use this quite a bit as well. And I usually go back and forth between the universal and the gentle. If my skin is a little bit more sensitive, but I do have a lot of flakiness to my skin, I will go in with this maybe once a week or once every couple of weeks. So it just depends on my skin. But I like the universal because it's in between the gentle and the extra strength, and it does a really good job to brighten up your complexion. You see an immediate glow with your skin, and your skin is also super soft after one use. So if you do have texture, this will basically wipe it out in one application, and your skin just looks incredible. So this can be used every single day according to the brand, daily peels, but I think once or twice a week is sufficient enough. You know, you don't want to overdo a good thing. Unless your skin can tolerate every day, then you do what's best for your skin. But I've never used this every day because I feel like my skin would be pretty sensitive if I did. So there's two peels here. The first peel is your exfoliant. So you're going to rub this all over your face and then wait 2 minutes to let your face dry up, and then you're going in with peel number 2. You don't want to rinse this off. You want to keep this on your skin. And once you do peel number 2, you're still going to do the same thing, rub it across your skin. There is ascorbic acid in here, which is your vitamin C. There is also retinol in here and a lot of other added ingredients to keep your skin nice and comfortable, but also this helps to neutralize your skin back to that balanced pH level. So number 1 is more of that acidic treatment, and then number 2 just kind of like neutralizes everything. And I love it. I really, really do. So if you're into products like this, I really do recommend either the gentle, the extra strength, or the universal. Next up is the ordinary lactic acid 10% plus hyaluronic acid, and I actually don't have one with me to show you as I'm taking a little break from this product because I am using the other products that I'm sharing in this video. I have been using this product for several years, and it's one of my favorite lactic acid serums. So if you're just strictly looking for a product that just contains one AHA, then this is a nice one to go with. Now, the Ordinary offers a 5% strength and the 10%. Either one is sufficient, either one is going to work, but the 10% of course is higher strength, and I feel like that one works the best on my combination skin. So this one would be great for those that have dry skin, combo, oily, normal skin. If you have sensitive skin, possibly you may want to go with the 5% and just start there and see how it goes. But I like this one because it is a very gentle formulation. It also contains Tasmanian pepperberry, and this ingredient helps to eliminate irritation and inflammation. It really is that nice added ingredient to calm the skin while the lactic acid is doing its job. And like I said, I've been using this serum for several years and it never ever disappoints. And I like the lactic acid way more than the Ordinary glycolic acid. The Ordinary glycolic acid I feel is very irritating on my skin. I used to use it many years ago, but for some reason it's really irritating on my skin now. So I personally don't like that. I feel like the lactic acid or even the mandelic acid from the Ordinary is another great option. It's even more gentle than lactic, but this one does a good job to give your skin that brighter look. Another one that I really love is by Drunk Elephant. This is the Protini Powerpeptide Resurf Serum. So this is another serum that contains a 10% lactic acid, but also this contains 11 types of peptides. And I like this serum because we're getting best of both worlds here. We're getting that lactic to exfoliate, to give that brighter appearance to the skin, but also those peptides are going to help address signs of aging, fine lines, and to help firm the skin. Also, I feel like this is a very gentle formulation as well. I do feel like this would be nice for someone who has more of that sensitive skin type, but again, we are all different. So always start slow and gradually work your way up. But this is a product that you could use every day because again, those peptides in there do wonders for the skin. So if you're someone that doesn't use a retinol or tretinoin in your nighttime routine, you could use this in your nighttime routine, and then of course your vitamin C in the morning or whatever else you do in your morning routine. If you choose to use this in the morning, just always make sure that you wear sunscreen, right? Sunscreen is a must no matter what, but when you're using products like this that have AHAs and a BHA, always wear sunscreen, because if we're trying to correct our skin tone to eliminate dark spots and post-acne marks, sunscreen is a must, because this product is trying to correct that. So we need to prevent future dark spots from forming. So wear your sunscreen. But I like Drunk Elephant. You guys know that. This brand works really well on my skin. I have been talking about this brand since I started my YouTube channel, and I really like this one because of those 11 peptides. So if you're looking for something different, something that you can be more consistent with, I would say go with this one. Next up is the SKINN DermAppeal Daily. I did talk about this in my November favorites video, and I had to include it in this video as well. This is something that I never had in my collection before getting it. So I was on the shopping channel not long ago, and if you live in Canada, you know exactly what the shopping channel is. If you live in the United States, our shopping channel is like your QVC. And so Dimitri James, the owner of SKINN, was on there, and he was going over all of his products, and this sounded so intriguing that I had to try it for myself. So this is a product that you can use every morning before your cleanser, or of course you could just use it once or twice a week or whenever you want to use it. So I was pretty consistent with this at the very beginning, and I'm telling you, this is very gentle. This has lactic acid, and it also has jojoba seed beads, but there's also fruit enzymes in here as well. So in the morning you want to dampen your face and just put a little bit of this on your fingers, and it's like a cream basically. But when you massage this in circular motions all over your face, you do feel a very mild grit. And that is the jojoba seed beads. It is not irritating in the least, because if this was more abrasive, I would not use it, because I am not for products that are super abrasive, because of course you could cause a lot of damage, irritation, and redness to your skin. This is a very gentle product that actually keeps your skin nice and comfortable, not irritated, and when you rinse this off, your skin is super soft, and it also has this beautiful glow. And when you use this every day, or multiple times a week, it just keeps it going, and your skincare products absorb better on top when your skin is free of dead skin. And I just love that brighter look, especially before I put my skincare on. So after I wash my face, if my skin can have a glow before my skincare, that is always what I'm trying to achieve. I just love that complexion so much, because you're just basically like free of dead skin, and your skin is just so glowy. So I love it. I really do, and I'm so glad that I picked it up. So I don't use it every day now, but I will use it a few times per week, like I said, in my morning routine. And once I've rinsed this off, I would then go in with my cleanser, and then of course the rest of my skincare. But if you want to use this at nighttime, and if you want to use this twice a day, you could do that, especially if your skin can tolerate it. So those are the exfoliants that I consider the best. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to introduce you to something new today. Of course, these products, including discount codes, will be linked below for you for your reference. Also, I want to hear from you. What is your favorite exfoliant? And when you list it off in that comment section, please say what your skin type is as well, because it will give us an idea of what your skin type is to the product that you absolutely love. Because again, we are all different, and somebody with super sensitive skin wouldn't be able to use something at a higher strength. So if you don't mind doing that, that would be great, and I love hearing what you guys are using as well. And of course, don't forget to check out my other best of videos, which I will have below for you as well. So thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye guys.